Exercise 8.3, Problem 5, Discussion. Let's read the problem. Using clay, a student made a right circular cone of height 48 cm and base radius 12 cm. Another student reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Okay, so let's mark what is given here. So the first student made a cone. The height is 48 cm and the radius is 12 cm. The next student, what they do is that they are reshaping this cone into a sphere. And the radius of the sphere, okay, we don't know, right? So I guess this is all given. So given as height of the cone, h equal to 48 cm, radius of the cone is 12 cm. And it's a sphere, okay? What are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate radius of the reshaped sphere. So we are asked to calculate radius of the sphere, okay? So now let's think about it. Okay, let's list the formula. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. We know the radius, we know the height, which means volume of the cone can be calculated. Now volume of the sphere, 4/3 pi r cube. Capital R is the radius of the sphere. We have to differentiate because radius is there for cone as well as for sphere. So we are using small r for the cone and big R for the sphere, okay? But this cannot be calculated because we don't have the value of radius, right? Nor we want to calculate radius, correct, sorry. But that cannot be done because we don't have the volume of the sphere. But one important clue, they say, it's the same cone which is actually getting reshaped. So which means volume of the sphere will be equal to volume of the cone. Okay. So volume of the sphere will be equal to volume of the cone because they are reshaping the cone. So it will remain the same. Which means 4/3 pi r cubed, which is the volume of the sphere, will be equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, which is the volume of the cone. So in this equation, r is the only unknown and it can be easily calculated. You got it? The key point is the volume of the sphere is the volume of the cone. Both are equal, right? Then it's easy to do it. So let me summarize the steps. Let r be the radius of the sphere. Equate the volume of the sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed, to the volume of the cone, which is 1/3 pi r squared h, and calculate r. Okay, r is the only unknown, so which means we'll be able to calculate. Okay, now pause the video and try to do the problem on your own, and after doing, come back and check you're working against our solution. Okay, now we are coming to the solution. Height of the cone is 48 cm, radius of the cone is 12 cm. So let r be the radius of the sphere. We know volume of the sphere equal to volume of the cone because it's the cone which gets reshaped into sphere. Okay, so 4/3 pi r cubed will be equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, substituting the values of r and h, we will get 4/3 into pi into r cubed will be equal to 1/3 pi into 12 into 12 into 48. Radius is 12 and the height is 48. So you see this 3 and 3 will cancel, pi and pi will get cancelled, and this 4 will cancel 48 12 times. So r cubed will be 12 into 12 into 12, and r will be equal to cube root of this, that is equal to 12 cm. Okay, thus the radius of the sphere is 12 cm. So the key point is this: the volume of the sphere is volume of the cone. So once you know this, then everything else is little easy to do. So I hope you got your working correct. If not, please check where things have gone wrong and correct it. If you have not understood the concept, please go back to the video part of the discussion part of the video and review it. Okay, thanks for watching.